Piping. 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 Noun. Definition: lengths of pipe, or a network of pipes, made of metal, plastic, or other materials. Example: it was replaced at half-time by a length of plastic piping that is normally used as a goal post during Little League games. Noun. Definition: ornamentation on food consisting of lines of icing, whipped cream, etc. Noun. Definition: thin cord covered in fabric, used to decorate clothing or soft furnishings and reinforce seams. Example: other style-conscious additions include graphic seams, decorative piping and raw edging. Adjective. Definition: high-pitched.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.